Invisalign is really exciting part of our practice. I started Invisalign with our practices 10 years ago. I took multiple courses on Invisalign from basic to advanced. I keep taking continuing education in Invisalign area. I love doing Invisalign. Invisalign improved by itself as a product over the last several years tremendously, and it's amazing to see how the plastic aligners can change the position of the teeth and actually create the beautiful smile and correct the problems. Patients are coming over for consultation, and we start with record taking. We submit the prescription with the records to Invisalign, and we discuss with them the treatment planning. We making sure that the patients are getting the best out of it possible. We discuss with the patient the treatment plan before any kind of commitment on the patient's part would be to the treatment plan, and only when the patient is very happy and excited about the prospects of getting the close to ideal smile, we go ahead with that. The treatment may take several years, from a year to several years, and usually we are in constant contact with the patient, and we see how the progress goes. It's slow, but it's meaningful. We see the final result. We agree with the patient on final result only when the patient is really happy and excited. We show the patient the smile which we will achieve, and we are achieving it, and that's amazing feeling. I love doing Invisalign for my patients, and I know that my patients are excited about this life-changing treatment for them. Because whenever you go, would that be the office work environment, would that be travel or leisure vacation environment, smile comes first. Invisalign as a treatment doesn't change the shape of the tooth or color of the tooth. It only changes the position of the tooth. And by changing the position of the teeth,